Drew, what are you doing? What do you got? You climbing the stairs? No. No.
You want me to open it?
Yeah. Go.
He's open.
Go. Keep going, Fatty. Look at you cruising. He's already on step number 5. He's like, whoosh. Hi, buddy. Hi, are you climbing the stairs, big boy? Yay, Drew. Keep going. Yeah. Keep going. Go. Go up the next one. Come on. Keep going.
Watch him.
Such a big boy, Drew. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Almost to the top. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Couple more steps. Couple more steps. Almost. Almost all the way to the top. One more. Come on. One more. One more. All the way. Go, go. One more step. Yay, Drew. Yay. Go all the way up. Come on. All the way. Sit down. Look at you, big boy. You made it all the way to the top. Say yay. Yeah. Good job, Drew. Good job. High five.
High five.
High five. Good job.
I'm going.